Hello, Peter Carson here from Extranet User Manager. Quick teaser trailer on tomorrow's webinar on how to build a structured extranet using Azure AD B2B. We're going to start off by talking about when to use external sharing out of the box for Microsoft, and we'll cover over a few of the cool new announcements from SharePoint Conference, and then we'll contrast that with when you would want to use Extranet User Manager with Azure AD B2B. Now, if you've used B2B before, you have concerns about the onboarding sign-in experience, let me put that to rest. Microsoft's actually done an awesome job at improving that experience, whether you're an existing Office 365 user, which is very seamless, use your existing credentials. You don't have an Azure AD account, email a one-time passcode. Or if you're a Google user, you can actually use the federation to log in with your Google account into Office 365. We're going to dive into three scenarios: the invitation only, private registration, and public registration. So on the invitation only, pretty straightforward. You want to invite in, say, a single user through email into your Office 365 tenant. We fully support that. But also if you want to do bulk import, say you've got an Excel spreadsheet, hundreds of users you want to bring in, load that up, send out the emails, away you go from there. Now, maybe you don't know exactly all the people that you want to come in, so let's go through a private registration scenario. Here you can get a secure link. You can share it out through email, through other means. Let's say you have two friends you want to share that with, and they can tell two friends, and so on, and so on. You can build up an external group that you're not even aware of who those members potentially are, but as those people come in, they actually go through an onboarding process. Starts with a page that explains the group they've been invited into, allow them to select either email or Office 365 to sign up. Let's say we take the email path, and we go through a registration process. Once they've completed that, you can still have a Microsoft Flow approval to decide whether you want to onboard that person or not, and then allow them into Office 365 from there. And then last, we've got the public registration scenario, very much the same as the private, except you can expose that link up on a public-facing website where people can self-discover it, go through that same onboarding registration process, have the same opportunity for Flow approvals around that, and ultimately bring into your Office 365 tenant. So look forward to talking more, explain the full depth of the solution Tuesday, July 23rd, noon to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on how to build a structured extranet using Azure AD B2B. Thanks. Talk soon.